Hey guys, I am Dipendra from Fixing Port. Today I am here with the news that Apple has started manufacturing iPhone 11 in India. So let's talk about this topic. Apple has reportedly started manufacturing iPhone 11 in India. This is the first time when company is manufacturing a flagship phone in India. This is seen as a great boost to the Indian government's Make in India initiative. Apple's decision to start its production of iPhone 11 in India can be seen as a major step of company to shift its production from China to India. It has been reported that company is planning to shift 20% of its production capacity outside China. According to the Economic Times, the company will step up its production in India in phases. Moreover, the giant Cupertino may consider exporting the iPhone 11 made in India to other countries. Manufacturing iPhone 11 in India saves Apple 22% on import duty, although the company has not yet announced any price cuts. In addition to this, Apple is also considering to manufacture iPhone SE, that is iPhone Special Edition 2020 edition, at Wistron plant near Bangalore. The company has kick-started this plant in May 2017 with the production of older version of iPhone SE. The company has already started assembling iPhone XR in India last year. While Apple's contract manufacturers Foxconn and Wistron have already started production in India, the reports are also coming that Apple's second largest contract manufacturer, Pegatron, has registered its subsidiary in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I hope that this is a great step of company to start production in India. Let's hope what the country sees next. I hope our video helped you, and if our video helped you, then please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing tech videos. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.